Hi there, I've put this tutorial together to help you understand and learn how to add a translation to the Lunchtime prayerforisrael.com site. I want for you to follow with me as we learn how to put the translation on board. You should have now been given a username and a password for the site. When you log on to the site, you will see your dashboard, your profile, dashboard, and these various other elements, but the one you're interested in is the translation interface. So if you click on translation interface, another window will open up. Now notice on here are the translation jobs that have been assigned to you. We just walk through. We've got the title. It can be a post or a page. Once the pages have been done, though, most of them will be posts. We have the nations, August 22nd, language from English to French. We have the edit button and the view original in the English. We have the status, in this case this one is waiting for translation, or it could be in progress. And if for some reason you're not able to complete the post, then you can resign from it. Now this is quite important because until you resign, nobody else can pick up that post or translate that post. It's been put there so that two translators don't work on the same post at the same time, which would be crazy. So if it's been assigned to you, then you have to resign from it so that somebody else can take it. So let's go through. Let's click on edit. And up comes the translation editor. Now we've tried to make it as simple as we can. So it's a very simple layout, and let's just work our way through it. Title is the title of the post, which will be obviously in your language. It'll be a translation of the English title. The original title here was English, there we go, and the title was welcome. So you see it here, so it's a translation of this page. If you go down, we come to the URL. Now the URLs are in Western speak. It'll always be in either English or French or German, I guess, but not in Arabic or Hebrew or Chinese, because the URL, the internet can't handle those URLs. So you will see here, it's not here, but you will see copy from English. Click on that, just here. It'll be in red, copy from English. It's not here because I've already done it. And that will give you the English URL. And then click on Save Translation and Save Translation. As you go down, again, when you come here, if it's a new translation, you will see copy from English. Now it's up to you if you do that or not, but I recommend it because when the English comes up, you could just take the text, delete it, and copy in the translation. Also, the nice thing about coming from English is you end up with the image here as well, which you don't delete, but you can work around. As you can see, you have underneath it the English, so you can just deal with that, copy the text, do as you will, and there's your translation. Once you've finished your translation, click this translation is finished. Now it's important when you delete the wording, that you delete it from just after the point before the image, because there's code running behind here and we don't want to affect the image or the... So if you can, when you delete code, take it right from the edge. Okay? And again underneath, if there is code underneath, go right to the edge of the code and take it out that way and delete it. Then add your code, click the translation is finished. As we go down then, there may be more or less boxes. You may see a categories box which may be filled in, which is the category of a post, or a tags box. Again, fill in the information and then click translation of this document is complete. You'll find if this last button doesn't click, then it means that you haven't clicked on one of the translation is finished boxes further up. So go back, hunt all these down, click them, and then when you come down here, you can click on it and save translation. Notice also you have the resign button here. If you don't feel you can do it, or there's some other reason that you want to resign from this particular post or page, then click on this and it will take you out and you will be resigned from it, and the administrator of the site will get a message saying that they've resigned. So save translation. And we're back here. So that translation job is done, and you can either go on to another post if there's more to translate, or you can log yourself out from the top right. Log out. There we are. And you're back to the beginning. If you have any questions, you can contact me, Jeremy, Jeremy, at shepherdsheart.org, shepherdsheart.org. Look forward to working with you. Be blessed.